So students, now we will discuss on the extractions of minerals. So first is mining. Let's see and discuss what is mining. So mining, it is the process of taking out minerals from rock buried under the earth's surface. What is mining? The process taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth's surface. And there are two types of mining. First, open cast mining and shaft cast mining. So let's discuss about the open cast mining. What is open cast mining? Open cast mining is done when mineral is located very close to Earth's surface. So these types of mining, this method is used in where the minerals are located very close to the Earth's surface, very close to the surface, not in very deep. In the open cast mining, different minerals are taken out by removing the surface layer. We can say these minerals are present in shallow depth. This is not in very deep. This is present in very shallow depth. Open cast mining is famous for coal mining in India. So generally these types of method is used in for removing the coal, for taking out the coal. So for the coal mining, these types of method use open cast. Now next is shaft mining. What is shaft mining? So the word shaft refer to deep bores. Shaft means refer to deep bores. It is used for deep boring. In shaft mining, deep bores are created to reach mineral deposited. In this picture you can see a crane. This is the crane which is going under the earth surface, and these types of method is used in shaft mining, where we can go under the surface through the lift. In other words, when minerals deposited are extracted from deep down the earth surface, by digging deep bores called shaft, it is known as shaft mining. So once again I am reading here. In other words, when mineral deposits are extracted from the deep down the earth surface by digging deep bores, are called shaft mining. Now next we will discuss about the drilling. What is drilling? Through the process of drilling, deep wells are bored to take the minerals out. This process commonly used extracting petroleum and natural gas. So for extracting petroleum, which method is using? That is drilling. That method is called drilling. And through the boring we can take out the petroleum. Now third method is quarrying. What is quarrying? Under the quarrying, see what is written here. Minerals that lie or near the surface of the earth and are simply dug out. It's called quarrying. So in quarrying, only simply dug out is carried out the minerals. This process is normally used to extract marble, granite. So these are commonly used in extraction of marbles and granite, which quarrying is used to extraction of marble and granite. Now student, we will discuss about the distribution of mineral resources. And before that, what we have discussed, what I have explained, the method of extractions of minerals, that is mining, drilling and quarrying. And under the mining we have discussed the two methods, and which those were open cast mining and shaft cast mining. Now we will discuss distributions of minerals resources. So mineral resources are unevenly distributed in the world. These are found in different rocks like igneous rocks, metamorphic and sedimentary rocks. In different types of rock it is found. igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary rocks. Different minerals are found in different rocks. Metallic minerals like iron ore, copper, nickel, chromites and platinum are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. So metallic minerals where they found mostly in igneous and metamorphic. These metallic and shiny minerals which iron, copper, nickel, chromite and platinum, these types of minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. And the non-metallic minerals like limestones, manganese etc. found in sedimentary rocks. So mostly metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks, and non-metallic minerals are found in sedimentary rocks like fuels, coal, petroleum. These types of minerals are found in sedimentary rocks. Now students, let's discuss the continent-wise distribution of minerals. So first we will understand about the Asia. Which types of minerals Asia is having? Just see, more than half of the world's tin is produced in this continent, which Asia. So half of the tin is produced by the Asia. China, Indonesia, Malaysia and India are the main minerals producer of Asia. India is also the main producers of minerals. Manganese, iron ore, lead, tungsten, antimony, bauxite, zinc, copper and nickels are the most significant minerals of this Asia continent. These are the more significant continent. Minerals producing country in Asia. Iron ore, where they produce, which are the main countries? China and India. For iron ore, China and India. Tin, for tin, Indonesia and China and Malaysia. Indonesia and China, Malaysia are famous for tin. Lead, antimony and tungsten produced by China. Now next continent is Africa. Africa is a mineral rich continent. It is the largest producer of diamond, gold and platinum. So these are the very expensive minerals, very expensive this metal which is produced by Africa: diamond, gold and platinum. South Africa, Zimbabwe and Zaire, a large portion of the world's gold. So this gold is produced by South Africa, Zimbabwe and Zaire. Oil is found in Nigeria, Libya and Angola. So where the oil found? Here you can see Egypt, Libya, Algeria, Nigeria and Angola. These countries are famous for oil producing. Now next we will discuss about the Europe. Europe is leading producer for lead, zinc, manganese and iron ore. Mineral producing countries in Europe: copper, zinc and lead. Which are the countries? Ukraine, Europe and Russia. And manganese and nickel produced by the Eastern Europe. Now the next continent is North America. North America has a large deposit of minerals. In North America, minerals are found especially in three zones. These are Appalachian region for coal. That Appalachian region is famous for coal. And Western Cordilleras is famous for copper, zinc, gold, silver and lead. Third is Canadian Shield region: iron ore, gold, nickels, copper and uranium. So this Canadian Shield region is famous for iron ore, gold, nickels, copper and uranium. Here you can see in the map that yellow color is showing the Western Cordilleras and Appalachian. Here this is blue and the Canadian Shield is showing with this green. Now next our continent is South America. Why South America is famous? For which minerals? The leading producer of high grade iron ore in the world is Brazil. Brazil is famous for what? It is famous for iron ore in the world. Chile and Peru are leading producer of copper. So Chile and Peru are the leading producer of copper. Brazil and Bolivia are among the world largest producer of tea. So this Brazil and Bolivia, they are famous for tea. Mineral soil found in countries of South America such as Venezuela, Argentina, Peru, Chile. Where they found? Argentina, Venezuela, Chile and Peru. South America also has large deposit of gold, silver, bauxite, mica, platinum and diamond. So beside this, South America is also famous for gold, silver, zinc, bauxite, mica, platinum and diamond. Our next continent is Australia, that is largest producer of bauxite in the world. It is a leading producer of gold, diamond, iron, ore, tin and nickel. This is also leading producer of gold, diamond, iron, tin and nickels. Area of Western Australia such as Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie. It is located here. You can see have the largest deposit of gold. Where the gold found in Australia? Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie. Now last is Antarctica. Though the Antarctica is not much suitable for human settlements. Here human settlement is not possible, but a variety of minerals deposited are located here, and we can use in the commercial purpose of these minerals. Coal, iron ore. The which types of minerals found here? Here found coal, iron ore, gold and oil are found in the Trans Mountains and iron near the Prince Charles Mountains of East Antarctica in commercial quantities. So this is the Trans Antarctic Mountains. What is found here? Coal, iron ore, silver, gold and oil. This is famous for Trans-Antarctic Mountain is famous for coal, iron ore and silver, gold and oil.